Roses? It's your girl, Ross na naman. And for today's video, ay turo ko sa inyo yung Chanel ni Tyla. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, is-mirrored ko yung video na to. Okay, so first step is naka-forward yung inyong left leg sa front, okay? So, yung inyong kamay is cross, then open siyang ganito, okay? So, pa-forward kayong ganyan, and naka-freeze yung inyong kamay. Pag dun sa word na freeze, okay? So, 1, and wave kayo pababa, then tuck, okay? So, medyo magpo-pause kayo dito sa dulo, then wave kayo pabalik, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step is medyo magja-jump kayo para maka-open ng ganito yung inyong legs. Okay, so yung inyong kamay naman, naka-close yung ganyan, and naka-bend kayo papunta dito sa left side. Okay, so naka-bend na ganyan, yung inyong right leg is naka-straight, then bend nyo siyang ganyan. Okay, both legs ay naka-bend and up. Okay, so ito naka-bend pa rin, and yung inyong right leg is mag-straight siya. So, para siya, ito-twist nyo siyang ganyan, then down. Okay? So, tuwing ida-down yung paa nyo, is magbe-bend yung inyong legs. Okay? So, straight, angat yung hip dapat. 1, down, then tuck, tuck. Okay? So, parang, isi-shake nyo lang yung kamay nyo ganito sa tapat ng chest nyo, and yung inyong right leg is 1, 2. Okay? So, yung hips nyo kasabay din yan. Right, then left, okay? So, bend, then up, then tuck, and shake, shake, then ulit, bend, up, then tuck, shake, shake, okay? So, counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step is yakong nyo yung inyong left leg papunta dito sa left side, and yung right hand nyo is papunta dito sa left side. Okay, so 1, then close yung legs, then 1, 2. Okay, so dito sa taas, then down. Okay, so yung legs nyo naman and yung hips nyo is mag-open siyang ganyan. Parang ikot nyo yung hips nyo ganyan, and yung legs nyo is medyo magsiseparate siya. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay? So, parang igigil nyo lang yung inyong hips. Okay? So, hakbang, close, then 1, 2. Then, dito naman sa right side. Okay? So, hakbang nyo yung inyong right leg, punta dito sa right side. Then, yung left hand nyo, pumunta dito sa right side. Okay? So, 1, 2, then 3, 4. Okay? So, pagka up ng inyong kamay na ganyan, then down, dapat yung chest nyo is push siya palabas, then balik. Okay, so palabas, then balik nyo ulit na ganyan. Okay, so 1, then 2. Okay, so ganyan dito. 1, 2, then 3, 4. Okay, then after nyan is magpo-post na lang kayo ng kung anong gusto nyong post dyan. Okay, so counting style, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then pause. So, that's it for today's video. Kung natunan nyo to, just click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And see you guys on my next video. Bye!